Okay, hello, I'm just going to teach you how to do custom ringtones for iOS 14, 13, and yeah, let's get right into it. So what we want to do first is download an app called GarageBand if you don't already have it. And if you do have it, just go to Safari, and that's how you spell it right there. Just pause the video if you want to spell it. So you want to go, I'm just going to go back. You want to type any song NCS MP3 because there's no copyright sounds. I don't want to get copyright strike. So you want to do is download an MP3 from there. So I already have some downloads that just press download. To press download, I'm just gonna go straight to GarageBand because I already have some downloads. So I'm just gonna go like this because if this is on blue, just make it gray so you don't, because it makes a weird ticking sound. So I'm gonna drag this here. And also you wanna make it 30 because that's how long a ringtone goes for. So I'm just gonna play the sound. Okay, so I'm gonna trim that down. I'm gonna trim that and see if I oh crap, no. Move, come on, go. If I like it, so I'm gonna put and now you're gonna save it and share and then press ringtone. I don't care, it's already. Now I'm gonna do a tutorial. Oh my, stop. No. Tutorial 2. Now, ringtones. My ringtones are all these. Now you're gonna press export. Now it's exporting right now. You sound as standard ringtone. Now you're gonna go to settings and go to any of these. These are all my ringtones that I've created, and I'll play this.